I just created the best effing makeup remover. I'm Jamie Greenberg, celebrity makeup artist. Let me tell you why I created this. Number one, most makeup removers just don't get the job done. Number two, you have to use pads or cloths or towels or tissues. It leaves your skin irritated and it doesn't prepare it for the next step. Number three, there's been a huge trend in these cleansing balms and I just find them so messy. They get everywhere. They also leave residue. They don't really do the job. Number four, if you're using any of these wipes or pads or anything, they're such a waste to the environment and they can really mess up your skin. I wasn't having that. I made the best effing makeup remover to solve all those problems. It's a mist applicator, so you don't need pads and cloths. You just spray your face or your hands and it's super easy. It's in a refillable glass bottle, so it's good for the planet. And this is what you refill it with, so it's good on your wallet. It looks really cute, so you can keep it out in your boudoir. You don't have to be embarrassed and hide it. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and fragrance-free. And it's free from sulfates and silicone. It doesn't have a ton of ingredients, only 7 to be exact, because it's what I know you need. Okay, so let me just tell you what I put in it to make it the best. The first thing I put in it was squalene, which softens and balances the skin. Then I used jojoba oil, which soothes and moisturizes the skin and doesn't clog your pores, which is super important. I used vitamin E to strengthen the skin barrier. And of course, the base is a dry oil, so it literally will take anything off, waterproof, anything, fake lashes, and won't leave like a gross residue on your face. It's literally the best effing makeup remover I've ever used, and when we were trying to think of a name, all I could think of was best effing makeup remover. With every product that I come out with, I try to collaborate with a new artist that aligns with the Jamie Makeup brand and also supporting the art world. So the best effing makeup remover was designed by Zudo. She is a self-taught illustrator who is from Russia, but she lives in Brooklyn, and she's so imaginative and playful, and I love her world that she creates, and I'm just obsessed. This was her first foray in the branded world, and I'm so honored that she did it with us, with Jamie Makeup. So to recap, I made the best effing makeup remover. It's easy, it looks cute, it's good for the environment, it's good for your skin, and it's Jamie Makeup, so it's the best. I am so excited for you to try the best effing makeup remover. Did I mention it's the best effing makeup remover?